Nice, professional and affirmation band. Nice sound this morning.
And they're so young.
Still trying to figure out why I can't just sit down and listen to some music. You know why.
You can. Sit down, Baba.
No,
sit
but
down.
them stop.
They will play. See?
Anyway, if you notice, Chef Bellamy.
Chef Bella Baba Me.
And them going on like I do understand the thing because this lady have own a restaurant and thinking about she can't cook like me. All right, so the boiled dumpling, folks. Boiled dumpling, I'm told, is a Jamaican staple and it's eaten, well, daily. I didn't know that. It is said that no true Jamaican meal is complete without. Now, the fried boiled dumpling is special.
Did you wash your hands?
I did.
You did?
Yeah, the
I'm going to
dumpling
wash
has
mine
to
while
be
you talk.
boiled
Where's the
first.
water?
Where you gone?
No, talk. Let me
All
wash my
right,
hands.
where you gone, man? Just wipe
Because
off your
you
hand with
cannot
something.
be in the kitchen. How dare...
I wash mine. Just wipe off your hand with something.
I'm going to wash it like this.
Yeah, sit never I'll curtsy. You can wipe it off.
Thank you.
I'll work with you.
Thank you. Good.
So, I'm saying the dumpling has to be boiled first, left overnight before it is fried. All right, hold on.
So,
Let me do this, man. Come and do what I'm going. Why me can't do it over here, sir?
careful with the knife. You nearly poke out my belly.
You're not trouble you.
I'm
You gotta cook, you
afraid
don't know
of you with
salt,
the
yo.
knife. All right, so dumpling, as Neville mentioned, a staple in our homes. And he's going to show you how to work it the next day, basically. How to fry it up for breakfast, especially if you're running late. I do want to say a lot of children are watching, a lot of parents are watching. And as Neville, you can cut it. Come, the oil is hot. Chef Neville, is it hot enough? Which one is this? Where is this? Which one is
So
this
me can cut this again.
Did you turn it off? Farron, you turned off the stove?
No, man, it's on.
So on. Okay, it's hot. Yeah, man. All right, you're going to fry it up. No salt or nothing to up on it?
No.
Oh, there's salt in
Where?
the foil? Okay, good.
But you salt out the salt.
Okay.
So all you have to do is put them in
I'll
there
salt
now.
it as you fry it.
So put it in there now?
Yeah, man.
All right.
I'll salt it for you. This is called the Neville Bell fried dump. Oh, Lord, the salt will come up. Okay, there you go.
You never know, say, I have this quality, you know.
You sure you wash your hands?
I wash me a long time.
All right, that's yours. This is what I would do.
What
I
you
don't
do?
like the way you cut it.
Where you
It
do?
has no...
Show me where you would have.
This is, I would say to my children,
Yeah.
hey children, you want dumpling fries? Watch this now.
You
know,
put your children alone.
no, but you,
Me not a
you
children.
eat fries. You're not a children. Watch this. Auntie Empress's dumpling fries. Now, let me tell you though, Jamaica, this is not healthy.
Me like dumpling fries.
As much as we're doing this is for fun. But as an educator, I would like to tell, as a social educator, and I love my people, this not healthy. Vegetable oil and flour. And if worse, if you're diabetic, pick me. Mother, this is not a healthy breakfast.
One of the problems you have is you're talking, and you're not doing
I am
it.
frying and I'm filling in time. Do you understand when you're cooking, you need time for the food to cook, and in the middle of it cooking, we must have conversation about whether or not this is a healthy meal. This is as bad as the fast food restaurants where you go and order fries. This is very bad food. Very, very bad food on Small Jamaica. Very bad food, but fun junk food. Don't waste. No junk is okay occasionally, right? So I'm doing dumpling fries. What are your dumplings called? Your fried up. What do you call these, Baba?
Fried dumpling. You said dumpling fry, I mean said fried dumpling.
Dumpling fry. No, mine are called dumpling fries.
Oh, and mine.
You know, I could have opened one big business, you know.
But you have a restaurant already. What more business you want to open again?
Whole heap more money, mister.
Oh.
Producer, bring this concept to me right now. Hello, and welcome to the dumpling fry shop. Would you like salt? Scotch bonnet salt. What kind of salt would you like? All right, let's put a little salt. I like to put salt on my things while it's frying. Now, people like to do it after. When I fry my breadfruit, I like it in the oil. It has a, do you agree? Has a different taste.
Who are you talking to when you say that?
Farron, come here. Come here, Farron.
Farron know nothing about this?
Come here, Farron.
So how long
I
you
want to
must leave
introduce
it?
the world to you. Farron, come the man.
How long you
Farron,
must
come
leave
up with a big gap in your teeth. Come and show the world.
Oh, listen to me now, man.
Me make the fries so I can go through your gap.
How long you must leave it there?
Yours is over frying now. Let's turn it over. Yours is near, yeah.
It's mine nice, no?
Yours are just right. You like dumpling?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought everybody did.
I don't like dumpling.
You don't.
But now that the producer has introduced dumpling fries to the Smile Jamaica crew, I will be selling dumpling fries every Friday at the front of 32 Lyndhurst Road, because I am a lady that likes to see opportunity. And part of my proceeds will go to Sheffield, camera over here. Because Sheffield...
You like how mine look?
Yours look good. I mean, it's browning. I got it. Do you think it has the right salt? I think I'm going to put a little bit.
You want me to deal with salt still?
No, it's just a... It's
But you have the salt all over.
Yes, salt. I use salt. Okay, come. Ready?
Hold on.
You
Put
want
it
yours?
right here.
Do you like how it looks?
Yeah, right there. This is
right.
what it looks like. So mine look.
Now, which protein would you add with this?
Will you tell me?
I don't know.
You're the big chef.
You can eat anything with this.
Ackee and saltfish.
Yep. I don't know how...
Mackerel.
Can I tell you though, I don't know how healthy of a protein saltfish is. Let's not trick the people.
No, look how
That's
mine,
not really
look
healthy.
how mine look nice and pretty and... I want it tough though, man. I want it sound like you could have licked somebody with it.
Your dumpling tough. No, I'm making dumpling fries for the kiddies. You know, the good thing about this is we're not going to waste any food at home. And sometimes the children talk about, Mommy, I want to go to this fast food restaurant, Don't waste your money. Use up your dumpling overnight. If you want to give your children junk food, once a month only. Once a month only, Jamaica.
Absolutely.
How come my fries are taking so long? I put them in after... What are yours called? No.
Fried dumpling.
And what are mine called? Here, everybody.
Fried.
Lord, mine.
We're going to go for a break,
wait, no, man, I want
much
to show
more
you.
and smile when we come back.
Dumpling fries.
The fried dumpling.
How it tastes now? How it tastes?
Very good.